Windows 11 KB5089573 brings smoother interactions across the OS, including faster app launches, more responsive shell elements like Start and Search, and improved stability in areas such as Sign-in, File Explorer, and touch gestures. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions in this video.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Solution 2. First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In Second Failure, select Restart the Services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate Software Distribution. Right-click it and select Delete. Restart your PC. Now run Windows Update.